Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we'll get to know how we can connect YouTube channel with our AdSense account and how we can collect our visitors information or details. So let's start. Okay, for that I open my Google Chrome. Okay, from browser we will open our YouTube channel. Well, we will open YouTube Studio, and here we need to search where we can get our settings for connecting our YouTube channel with AdSense account. Okay, because now maybe it's the setting has changed, so we need to check. Okay, so you just note down the name of the settings, then you don't need to search everything everywhere. I will click on manage YouTube account. Okay, and you can see here, click on advanced settings, and then here you can see the user ID and the channel ID. So we will take the link about channel ID. We need this link for our connection. Alright, then now we'll open YouTube Studio. Okay, click on the settings. Okay, here is the dashboard for the settings. Now here you can see, click on the channel, then click on advanced settings, slides down. Okay, now little bit up, and here you can see the link account. Okay, so this is the setting we will set up, and here you can see, so here is the Google ad account link, and now we will link it. Okay, here is the option for enter a link name, and below you can see Google Ads account ID. So this one we have to refill, and where we can find the name. Now I give just any name. You can also give any name. It doesn't matter, it should be related to your YouTube channel or not. Just anything you can write the name for remember. Okay, so okay, now write Google Ads. Okay, and then you can see here the options, then Google Drive or Google Ads, and click on this. Nothing to worry, I got the Arabic one, so you should click on the English one. Okay, English language, so slide down. Okay, so here you just check out what they give, and then you can we will just start now. We'll click on start now. Okay, because we before we don't have any ID, or we do not open any AdSense account, so this is our first time, so we'll open the start now. Okay, so here's the options. Okay, just click on continue. Okay, now you can see the dashboard like this, and then up you can see the notification views. Click on the views, then your dashboard will be like this, and then you can see. Okay, then click on the tools, and here's the some settings, so you have to find out where you can find the link up, so we will check. Okay, here we got it. Okay, not this one. Okay, open settings, then below you can see Linkit account. Click on this. Okay, now click on YouTube, search YouTube, and click on the details. Okay, all right, now you can see here link YouTube to Google Ads. Okay, so click on add channel. Now here is the dashboard. You can see the URL for YouTube channel, and these links we already copied from YouTube Studio, so this one you paste here, and then here you can see the two options, and so we will click I want this channel, and then we will click on go to YouTube. All right. Okay, here you can see Google Ads account linking. All right. Below you can see enter a link name. So in here you can write anything, like for remembering. Doesn't matter what you want to write, like not necessary to write your channel name or anything, just you can write anything. Okay, for remember that you write the name, and at the future if you want to open your sites, and you can understand, yeah, this was the one I want, this is the things I want. Okay, that's it. Then link, click on the link, that's it. So you can see now our link is already saved. So now if anyone visit in our YouTube channel, and he, even if he do not subscribe, and then also Google will receive his details for us, and we can see here from here. And in future if we want to promote, or we want to show them our any of our videos, or any of our promotional links or anything, posters, so we can target them and we can show them as a notification. So if they click on our notification, then they will visit our that link or that videos, whatever we want to show them, they will see this if they click on this link. So that means like we will, we can show them what we want, and we can target them everywhere wherever they go. And also from here we can connect our YouTube channel with our website. Okay, so come back, and here we will put our that you can see the our AdSense account ID, so we will put our ID here. Okay, and here the link we give the name, remember we give the name, and this exactly the same name we will give here, and then we will make it like done. Okay, all right, now it's finished. The name is same and ID is the like our Google ID is here, and now this is like finished. Yeah, now we will press on the done. Okay, that's it. Now save, finish. See, our notification and settings are already done. Now we have already everything is okay, so we can like follow people's if anyone visit, so we can see. Okay, okay, you can see here the green tick, that means our account is successful. Okay, already you can see here we got one like already. Okay, so now we'll come to the tools, then settings. No, management. Okay, here, and not this one. Okay, we'll go for the search, and we will search now. We will search audience, and here you can see the down the options. Okay, we will get the many of options, but we want custom segment. Click on that. Okay, so now you can see like this, and we will press on the plus button. Okay, and here we'll fill up the details. Okay, wait, we'll check. So however, we will click on data source, and here you can see in our YouTube channel already we have one like, and below you can see the menu of options. We can connect our YouTube channel with our menu of things, like here you can see Google Analyze and Google YouTube channels or AdSense accounts. Okay, so here, so in this option you can see the setup and audience source. Click here. Okay, so you can see already it's set up. So now here you can see the details we can find out, and here we will click on YouTube user. Okay, not custom list, we will click on YouTube user here. Okay, so here you can see our details, and here we'll give the segment name. Okay, so I give Akbar / Hussein. Okay, now YouTube channel. Okay, you can give anything like what you like, any name you can give, no problem. Okay. Okay, now below you can see we'll keep this same, we will not change anything like this from here. Okay, at the below our channel is say okay, the same account, and then and profile option, this one will be a same, and here we will change the membership duration. This one is 30 days. Okay, but we will change this one 540 days, because the 540 days is the maximum, so we can collect our visitor or subscriber data for 540 days, so more than 1 year we can collect them, and this is enough for us. Okay, so we can like target them for more than 1 year. We can target them, or we can do any promotion with them. Okay, so this is our dashboard, you can see, and this is the details. So as well, just now we just settings and just set up this one, so there is no listed. Okay, so now here if anyone visit in our YouTube channel, so you can see, I show you, you can see here we will get the all the details, like who like, who subscribe, who did comments, and from where they are coming, and from where they are watching, like all the details we can see. Like if anyone watching from the YouTube channel, like from the laptop or computer or mobile, Android, iPhone, everything we can see from here. Okay, very simple. So this is our one of the plus point, or plus point for us. Okay, okay, that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.